Alright, we're going to do a quick demo of my crazy process for blogging through Instapaper. So I've got a couple folders. They're basically my pipeline of folders for handling things, and then two different scripts that I run in the terminal. So one is the Insta-Repost Python script, and I just run that real fast. And that grabs the 50 most recent pieces, which you can see dump into here. And I end up with other pieces that are older. So I just overwrite those, and then I can scroll in there. You'll see each file has an ID number, which is the Instapaper ID. That gives an idea of the order in which I read it, or at least saved it, and then a date stamp, which is typically the date that I grabbed it. I tried having some fancier logic about trying to guess the article date, but found that that was never working right. And then I've generated a title from the title of the original article. So then I can take these, and I'll just take something, for example, here. What's a good case? Here, let's take this one. And so we'll get rid of some of this stuff, and I'll open up a new file, and I'm just going to take this over here. And then what I'll typically do is I'll go in and I'll figure out what the correct date is. So I'll look at the original. This is not necessarily the most efficient process. 19th of April of what year, right? This is an example of what you do to get dates. There we go, April 19th, 2015. So I can actually grab that. It's in the right format. And then I fix my date. And then I come and I look up the name of the person who did it, because I didn't grab that too well either. And let's see if I have a page for him already. No. And I don't have, let's see, I don't think I have one with his full name. Well, oh, look at that. I might just change that anyway, because he normally goes by Tom, so let's make it Tom. Oh, let's take it this way. I'm just going to take his last name here to rename this. And I leave the title up in there, and then I start double bracketing things. I'm just using BBEdit as my editor. I need to update this. I started purposely leaving the merging the first sentence in so that shows on the home page. Innovator's dilemma is something I often use. Talking about disruption, blah, 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 blah. Well, I'll take the people too. So I'm depending on remembering types of words that I typically have. Sometimes I'll go searching for some. Customer acquisition, blah, blah, blah. Product managers and engineers, I don't know that I'll bother doing that. ERP is a good counterpoint. And there we go. So I'm going to take that. I would normally do this with a number of articles at the same time, but as I save them, I just say, I am ready to post this. And then I come over and I run my other piece of script, which is this one over here, which is another Python script that I wrote. And there it is. And we can confirm that that exists by going to my home page. And there near the top is the article. There's some linking in there, and there's some linking in there. And then when I take that piece and I say, okay, it's been posted now, so now I say it's been posted, and so then the next time I run my script, it will delete that from my Instapaper archive before it grabs the most 50 recent again. So that's pretty much how that works.